Hi everybody, my name is Horea Porutiu. I'm a developer advocate at Miro, and I'm really excited to share this new GitHub integration with you. And we have Peter from ServiceRocket who helped build this integration, and I want you to introduce yourself and tell the viewers at home just a little bit about yourself.
Absolutely. My name is Peter Marquez. I'm Chief Customer Officer at ServiceRocket, and I'm really excited to be here and talk to you more about our integration with GitHub.
And Peter, could you tell the viewers at home maybe what was the inspiration behind this integration and why you chose to build this one?
This one was really easy for us because we use the tool ourselves as engineers. And so it made sense for us to have this integration. So it was top of the list for us to do just to improve our own efficiency.
Awesome. And those are some of the best apps when you're kind of building for yourself. So really excited to show this one off. So let's jump right into the demo. So here you can see on the left-hand side, we have our GitHub for Miro app installed. And then on the right-hand side, you can see we're already logged into GitHub and we have a repo with issues. We're going to go ahead and import some issues from GitHub. So we're going to click on the import tab, and you can see that I already have 5 issues open in my GitHub for Miro demo repository. And I'll just click on the import tab on the left. And now we can choose which repository we want to select. So I'll select that GitHub for Miro demo. And then the app will query my repository for all the issues we have. We can see we have 5 open issues, but I'm only going to import a couple of those. So I'll import 2 of those issues. I'll click on the import button, and within just a couple seconds, we should see those app cards created on the Miro board. So what's really nice is you can see that GitHub logo in the bottom right corner, so you can easily identify that this is actually a GitHub issue and not something else. Once you click on the top right, you can expand this GitHub issue, and you can go ahead and edit the issue title. You can edit the assignees, and you can see this is all happening in real time. And I'll add a new label here as an enhancement. And once I click update, in just a couple seconds, I'll be able to refresh my GitHub page and see that update happen in real time. So let's go ahead and refresh. And there you can see the enhancement tag has been added. And you can see that the issue title has been updated in real time as well. Well, what if we want to go the opposite way? So what if we want to update within GitHub and then see that reflected in Miro? Well, that's what I'm about to show you as well. You can see I've added the help wanted tag. And in just a couple seconds, once I expand this app card, you'll see that this new tag has been updated within Miro. And that's all happening seamlessly. So that's been really great. But let's imagine if you have some sort of brainstorming session within Miro. What if you want to be able to create multiple issues at once? Well, maybe you've used Miro to have these stickies after a brainstorming session, and we have these 4 stickies. And let's suppose we want to turn all of these stickies into issues at once. Normally in GitHub, you'd have to go and manually type in all this at once. But with this app, you can create multiple issues at once. So all you have to do is select those stickies, select the repository you want to create those issues in. And then, of course, you want to fill out the details. So I've just assigned these issues to myself and added the help wanted label. And again, within just a couple seconds, you can see those 4 new issues created seamlessly within GitHub. And again, it's really nice because those stickies have been actually updated as app cards. And now we can go ahead and edit that all within Miro. So those stickies are now app cards. And now I'm editing this within Miro. And now you're all familiar with this great interface. We can add the new labels. We can add a new milestone, update that within Miro, and see that all reflected on GitHub in just a couple seconds. So that's really nice. And then now I really want to show you another really great feature, which is being able to paste a link from GitHub. So I can go ahead and copy that URL, paste that within Miro, and in just a couple seconds, you'll see the app is importing this new URL. And again, it's created this great app card that we can collaborate on, that we can update, and that we can work with in Miro. So again, once I paste in that URL, it'll create this new app card. And again, as I've shown you in the past, you can collaborate, edit, and work within Miro. Now, Peter, are there some closing words that you'd like to tell the viewers at home about this integration?
Yeah, we're really excited about this one just because of the power it gives to engineers and designers. As we go forward, we're just going to continue to listen to customers, understand what their needs are, and make improvements.
I really urge you to try this out and go to Miro's Marketplace and just type in GitHub, and you should see the GitHub for Miro app, and go ahead and install it and try it out. And Can't wait to see what you think. Thanks so much.